today we will continue our reading. So this is your content book. Open page number 9. So today we will start our reading from features of desert, plains and plateau. But before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied that physical features of the earth. So in earth, there is a landform and water bodies. They both combine to form physical features of earth. Then we study what are hills and mountains. So students, what are hills and mountains? Let's revise what are hills and mountains. Hills have raised piece of land, but they have rounded peak at the top. They have rounded peak at the top. And mountain is also raised piece of land, but they have pointed peak on the top. Okay. Then hills have gentle slope, यानी कि easy ढलान होती है hills में. And mountain have steeper slope, मतलब स्टीपर स्लोप मतलब डरावनी ढलान होती है, स्ट्रेट ढलान होती है. ओके. एंड देन माउंटेन हैव स्नो एट द टॉप एंड हिल्स डू नॉट हैव स्नो एट द top. Number of mountain combine to form mountain range and number of hills join to form hills range. Okay students, so this is a summary of hills and mountain. Today we will start our reading from this line. Features of deserts, plains, plateau. A desert is a dry land which receive no or little rainfall throughout the year. जहाँ पे बहुत कम rainfall होती है. There are almost no or very few plants. Okay, plants are very less in desert. Example of plant in desert are like cactus. Desert can be of two types. Number one, cold desert. Number two, hot desert. Okay. Cold deserts are covered with snow throughout or for most of the year, and hot deserts are covered with sand and have a hot climate. Okay beta, hot desert are covered with sand and cold desert are covered with snow, यानी कि बर्फ. Okay beta. Then in cold desert people wear warm clothes and in hot desert people wear cotton clothes. Okay. Then students, plains and plateaus. Plains are low flat land, मतलब यहाँ पर रेस नहीं होता, बिल्कुल फ्लैट लैंड होती है, नो रेस्ड पीस ऑफ लैंड एंड द सॉइल इन द प्लेन इज यूजुअली फर्टाइल. यहाँ की जो सॉइल होती है वो फर्टाइल होती है. दे कैन हेल्प द प्लांट to grow, means which are good for growth of plant. Okay. And plateaus are raised flatlands. Okay. They have a steep slope and are flat from the top. Beta, what is the basic difference between plateau and hills? Hills are also raised piece of land, but they have round top. Okay. And plateau are also raised piece of land, but they have a, they have a, what their structure is look like a table, or they have a steep slope and flat from the top. Plateaus are flat from the top. Okay. So plateaus are raised flatland, they have steep slope and are flat from the top. The structure of plateau looks like a table, therefore it is known as tableland. Okay. So students, hills are rounded from top, mountains are pointed from top. Mountains have snow at the top and hills do not have snow at the top. Then desert having very less or no rainfall. Desert can be of two types, cold desert where everywhere is snow and hot desert where sand is everywhere. Then plains and plateaus. Plains are low flatland. The soil in the plain is usually fertile and good for the growth of plant. Okay, plains. And plateaus are raised flatlands, but they are not good for plants. So plants are not grow on plateaus. Okay, they have steep slope and their structure is look like a table. Okay, beta. So read this page carefully, and one thing I just want to show you. Yes, what is the difference between plains and plateaus? Plains are low flatland और unraised area, यानी कि ये उठा हुआ एरिया नहीं होता. And plateaus are raised flatland. Plains are flat area. Soil in plains are fertile and plateau soil non-fertile. Plains are good for growth of plant and plateaus are known as table land because they look like a table. Okay students, so read this page and learn the difference between plains, plateau, desert, hills, mountain, and we will meet in the next class. Bye students, take care.